Hi guys, welcome to another video of Incorporate Fitness. I am Shaiju Balagopal, your fitness trainer. And what we are going to do today is something which is very interesting. Now, my friends told me, go back to the old days, start wearing your cap. I used to wear the cap like this throughout my college days. And I used to carry a bag as well, and I still do it. So we are going back down to the very basics, and we are going to do something very primal. So we are going to do the animal workout today, and we are going to end with a few games as well. So it is going to be really intense, and watch it till the end. Do the first exercise, okay? It's going to be a very intense one. So you're going to go right onto the floor, okay, in the frog position, leap, and keep going like that. So this is about 20 feet in length, 20 to 30 feet max. So 30 feet up and down, 10 rounds, and it is pretty intense. It's going to work on your legs, it will work on your back and your glutes as well. It's an intense workout. Today's workout is going to be super intense. It's a cardio and a muscle workout. Animal is one of those best workouts you can watch. Watch till the end and you'll learn a lot of things. Yeah. Hey guys, so that was a tough one. So 10 rounds of torture. So now the next one is, again, you're going down on the beast position and you're going to crawl both ways, right? So what you're going to do is get onto the beast position, lift your knees off, then step out, 2 steps, then 2 steps back, then 1, 2, 4. That's how you go, right? 20 into 3. So that's what you're going to do. It's an intense workout. So hold your core, hold your knees, don't bring your butt up, stay down, keep your shin parallel to the ground and move sideways and forward. Now when you don't raise your hip, okay? So keep your hip locked and see that your hip is directly under your knees and your palm is directly under your shoulders, and that's what you need to do throughout the exercise. Go ahead, do it. We are continuing with the animal workout. So next exercise, imagine you're a bunny. Okay, so you're going to keep your legs together, okay, and hop forward. Okay, so there's a short distance here, so you can see me through this. Now you're going to go short jumps, keep moving forward, up and down. That's about 30 feet, as I told you. So up and down as 1. You're going to do 10 rounds into 3. So that's what you're going to do. So keep hopping. That's intense on your calf, your hamstring. So your fast twitching muscles immediately stop when you're going down. Try not to land your heel down. Get your toes pointed down. Use your toes to flex and push your whole body weight up. So you're going to work on your calf now. It's an intense workout. Start doing it. All right, if you've been watching till now, you know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, and tell your friends and ask the questions which you need to know your fitness questions or queries about, and we'll help you out. and definitely we will get an answer. And if you need any exercise, any particular exercise with the form, write to us, and the number is 8122114477. You can WhatsApp me and ask any questions. The fourth exercise, and the previous one was a little easy. We are getting back into going on to the ground again. Now, what we're going to do, as Lokesh suggested, we are going to go into the primal, that is the ape thing. So we're going to do the gorilla crawls. So what we're going to do is bring your hand down, okay? So bend over a bit, okay? So bend over a bit, then put your weight on the hand, go all the way around, come back. That's one, okay? So you have 4 corners where you go on one side and 4 corners when you come back, okay? 10 into 4, okay? So if you complete one is both directions, and then you do 10 of that and into, okay, forget doing 4. Let's do 3 sets, all right? All right, guys, we've reached the last exercise. It's a good one, okay? I'm giving you 2 options. Again, I gave them 2 options. They chose the latter, okay? The first one is to go on a kangaroo hop. So take a long leap, jump, okay, and keep going like that. Okay, so that if you're doing, you can do 10 into 3, okay? Now, guys, one thing, I've been telling you numbers, right? So choose your number according to your health condition and what suits you best. Now, these guys have been training with me for quite some time. Some of them are years with me and some of them months. And so everybody has different capabilities here, and I push them to that capability. And I monitor them when they're working out. So the videos, when you see it, again, don't get hyper about it. Don't try to reach the number if you are not capable of doing it. Do what you're capable of doing, but don't put it down. Keep a step up higher than what you're capable of doing. Push it a little bit so that you can do the best. All right, so that's the first option which I gave. The second one is an armadillo roll. So you're going to roll like an armadillo and then come back into the stretch position of an armadillo, okay? So yeah, it's going to be, you might not have heard this, but what you're going to do is this. On the floor, you with your leg up, then, okay, I'll turn this way so you can see me better. So you go from here, turn to any of the side, okay? So you'll have to come back anyway, so turn up and then roll back. Okay, so that's what you need to do. So go back and forth is 1. Consider doing 10 into 3. Again, it is an intense workout. And thanks for watching till the end. Like, share, subscribe, and tell your friends and ask questions, and we'll be able to help you out. It's an intense workout. You would have burned about 700 calories doing this, and it's going to go more further, right? So watch what you do. Even the weights, as I told you, suit yourself. If your rep range is between 8 to 12, start lifting that weight, which you can do maximum of 8 and least 8. Okay? All right, see you then.